Hey guys, it's Amber, and today I'm trying out a different format. So if you like me on your screen, let me know if you like this format better. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do this really cool text effect that we see here, how she is in between the text, and it's really easy to do. So let's do it. Go ahead and grab a photo. I'm just going to use the same photo, but any photo of anybody will work as long as you can remove the background. So we are going to have one person. Then we are going to hit T on our keyboard to bring in a text box. And I actually uploaded this custom font. You might recognize it from Bluey. But yeah, I'm just going to name her Daisy for this tutorial. We're going to go ahead and size up that text. And I think this text looks really fun without Bluey as well. So I'm just going to make it white for now. And to get that outline effect, we're actually going to click on our text and click on duplicate and make sure they line up perfectly. Now on this top text, we're going to go to effects and hollow. Then we're not going to change anything and we're going to click on our person and duplicate that and make sure those are lined up perfectly as well. And then on the top layer of the person, we are going to hit background remover. And as you can see, the text is poking through a little bit on the back. And we're going to click on position just to visualize everything better. And you'll see we have two people. We're going to drag that top with the background removed in between. And boom. Now, if you want to move your text, I recommend clicking on the bottom one and the top one while holding command. And then you can just move them to wherever you want them. And you can also mess around with different color choices, such as pink, green, blue, etc. And yeah, I think there are so many fun things that you can make with this design. So I hope this helped. And if it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.